Here is how to add highlight on your Instagram from your camera roll. For that, open your Instagram, click on the story. So go to story. Here you can click a photo or otherwise discard it, and you can go from the camera roll. So let me select this. So I have selected this and I need to post this as a story and I need to add as a highlight. So for that, let's post it as story. So here you can find story is being updated. So if you want this story from the camera roll to be a highlight, so go to your profile. Here you can find new. So if you click on this new and see, now just you have posted that and click on that. Tap on next. Here you can find, so you can give it a name or otherwise you can just simply click on done. This is how you can add highlight on Instagram from your camera roll. Thank you.